So I already cut them to size. One's gonna go right here, and of course the other one's gonna go right here. So make sure you really clean the screen so you get as less amount of bubbles as possible, because this is a little hard to work with because sometimes you get bubbles if there's any type of dirt on there. So, okay, so clean good. You're also gonna need some type of credit card. Remove the first one. It says here remove one. So remove the first one because this is gonna be the back. Okay, got the first one out. That's the most important one. See those little bubbles? Go ahead and push them out with your credit card. It's a screen protector for the laptops and also to reduce glare.
There's gonna be a big line down the middle.
It's okay, as long as I don't have that much glare. Okay, so we got the first one. I'll take cover at the end. See that little bubbles? Those are when there's dirt on the screen. Not bad, just one little tiny bubble. Now we can remove this last one. And voila. Oh my goodness, just one little bubble. See if I can push it out. Sometimes you can kind of drag it all the way to the end. Let's try it. And I will show you guys the difference right now. One with the protector